What's going on, family? Welcome to another episode of Sunday Morning Markups. It's your boy, Mr. P. Shout out to Pimpin' Ain't Easy. We are the official affiliates of Sway Markets. Let's get right into this. We're not going to waste your time on this beautiful Sunday. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, share, comment, all that cool stuff that they say on YouTube, right? Make sure you go to pimpinainteasy.com. As you know, we are the official affiliates of Sway Markets, the best affiliate program out. We also have a free profit channel. Make sure you lock in there. It's a beautiful situation, family. And if you go to the new traphouse.com, everything is absolutely free. All right. Shout out to Mr. P. I'm speaking the third person here. For allowing us to take advantage of these free amenities. As you know, you can build passive residual income from anywhere in the world for absolutely free and receive daily payouts. We have the basics of Forex, Trap, and FX, and we have an advanced education from a seven-figure trader, Mr. Ryan Gilpin. He is definitely blessing the community as we speak. Don't forget our free community, how to start an LLC, and also we have Trap Check available Monday through Thursday, free wealth informational, free credit masterclass, and a free wealth library, family. Make sure you lock in and take advantage of those amenities today. All right, so we're gonna look at these charts. Let's get right into it. Gold just popped up, so let's look at gold. Let's look at gold since it just popped up on us. We was definitely in this last week. If you was in the chat last week, you definitely ate off this gold buy. We bought it this gray zone at 1811, 1812, and at 1815. As you can see, price is sitting at 1832. Those are some good gains. So what we would like to see here off of this daily, what I would like to see here off of this daily is I want to see price come down here to this golden zone, right? And I want to see it bounce off of this daily bullish engulfing zone, okay? So definitely want to see price come down here. So maybe we'll get a pushback on this daily and price can, we get that play down to that push up, right? And hopefully we can take this back up to 1900. That would be nice if we can take this back up to 1900. And I say that because this weekly is really nice. All right, it's a lot of imbalance here. I would love to see it come back up to 1890, the second level, what is I would say third level here, right? That's beautiful. Okay, that's absolutely beautiful. I would love to see this happen. Get price to bounce and come up off here. This is the weekly, so that closed. It definitely closed bearish, but we had a good pullback. Nothing has closed below this previous low. So we would definitely love to see price get back up in the zone, take out some of this imbalance, and we could potentially ride this back up to 1900. So off of the daily on XAU, we are looking for price to bounce off of this zone and continue to the upside. So be on the lookout for that. Matter of fact, where's my alert? All right, we're just gonna set one right there. Buy zone. See if we got some alerts left. Pow, we do. Shout out to TradingView. All right, so that's the play right here. That's what we're looking for on gold. So make sure you guys be on the lookout for that. Now let's get into the basics. All right, so ACAD did numbers last week. We are looking at this on a bigger time frame, the weekly, and we definitely want to see this price get bullish. We want to take this back up top, which would be phenomenal if we can take this back up top. As you see, we got a little, I would say a teacup, but we have price off this support here, and it's basically bouncing off this support. Nothing is closed below this previous low here, and also nothing is closed above this previous low as well, right? So we do have a weekly bullish engulfing that came down and closed above. I would love to see this to continue to buy, right? We got this entry, then we caught another entry here. So it's been some good plays. I definitely want to see it break this level here. Once it breaks this level here, then we want to hit this level as our next target and potentially take this all the way back to the upside. We're looking for a big reversal on ACAD. So just be on the lookout for ACAD. We are still in the buy. We are holding this. We're definitely swinging. So what I advise is you find your entry somewhere off the 4 hour to hour, or join a free community, and we will definitely keep you posted on that. All right. This was a beautiful play. CAD JPY did numbers. As you can see off this weekly, we wanted to see price come down. Now, what I do know is it bounced off this monthly engulfing zone, something nice. It did close above here, so I'm not too confident that it won't continue to the top. I would love to see it come down and take out some of this imbalance here and a whole lot of imbalance lower here. Now, this is the monthly, so this could take some time, but we did get a new high here from the previous high. So I do expect price to eventually get bullish, but I'm not sure when. But we did eat off of this nicely. I would definitely just continue to watch, right? Watch CAD JPY because it does look like it broke back down. Maybe that's a break back down. Hopefully we can get some continue this bearish momentum, but it also respected this previous resistance over here, right? And became a support. So just want to keep an eye on it. It's not in a place where I would trade at the moment. I would definitely wait on like a weekly. I would definitely wait on this weekly confirmation. See how this next week plays out. See if it comes up here. You know, if it comes back up to our zone, we may sell again. But I don't think it's coming back, to be honest. I really want to see it continue to the downside. So we can definitely be on the lookout for some type of puts, some type of sales. All right, but just keeping an eye on that. Same thing with NJ. Let's see. The reason I'm going through this so fast is because price is not in our zone where we would like to see. EA now. EA, we would love to see EA come up to this zone here, right? And potentially sell back down off of this weekly. So let's check out the monthly because the month did just start. All right. As you see, we wanted price to come up there. It did, but it didn't hit how we wanted it to hit. So EA's in a nice place. It did close above this right here, but nothing is closed above this. So it has the potential to come up here and make some type of double top on a monthly or maybe even a weekly, but it's been consolidating in this zone for some weeks now. It's been playing this zone for about 3 weeks. Hasn't really broken out of this little area here. So I would love to see price come back down here though. That's what we want to see. We want to see price come down to this weekly. Right? We want to see price come down to this weekly zone here. We can potentially catch a sell off of this zone and then continue to the downside. Maybe catch a couple hundred pips, you know. That's about 500-600 pips, but we can definitely capitalize on that. All right. ECAD. ECAD looks phenomenal. It definitely bounced off this zone right here, off the weekly. We still want price to come up here for the sale. We're waiting on our sale zone. We definitely caught this sale. It was beautiful. Definitely want to see price come down here. Not sure when. I would love to get a push up first, and then we get that drop down. We would like this play right here, buy out, and then come back down. So it's not in the zone. It's not somewhere we would trade, but it is bouncing and respecting off this weekly support level. But eventually, price is either going to come grab this all these sellers up here, or come down here and grab all this imbalance and liquidity. So, but in my opinion, I think it'll shoot up first and then drop down. But nothing is closed below this previous low right here or this previous low. As you can see, price is making higher lows. So it may shoot up and then tank down for a good drop. So keep an eye on ECAD. Okay, EG. Man, we've been waiting on this for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 weeks. We've been waiting on price to just break out of this box like this. As you see, price broke out of this box, it retested, and then it sold down. Now it's been consolidating in this zone, this weekly zone. We want to see it break out either way, bullish or bearish, right? But it's definitely respecting these resistances here and this support here. This resistance and this support is definitely getting respected. We are waiting on a breakout and a retest so we can hop in. Now, if you wanted to just sell off of this support and resistance, then those are definitely an opportunity to get some gains. Make sure you just practice your risk management. All right, so EJ, we want EJ to come back up top. It's been bouncing off this zone, consolidating for a couple months now. So we definitely see the spikes down off the good gains. So let's see what this monthly look like. Okay, I definitely want to see this sell up here. Not sure if price is going to come down first or go up first, but if it does come down, I would definitely catch a buy off of this zone here for the continuation to the bullish, and then we can ride this out and then catch this sell back down for two nice swings. Two nice swings. That would be nice. All right, so we want EN to sell. We are looking for sales on EN this week, right? This is the monthly. We want price to just sell. We are looking for sales. We just waiting on some type of push up. We want this to kind of push up a little bit, and then we want to sell this back down. Okay. We can potentially find an entry off the daily, get a push up we like. Ooh, that daily close nice right here. It may just tank, to be honest. Price may just do the drizzy. This looks like a nice zone up here. It got touched a little bit, but I would love to see price come up there first. But bigger picture, swing me picture, right? We want price to come all the way back down here. We got that monthly bearish engulfing. It engulfed the engulfing. So we definitely want to see price, probably dig up in here a little bit, and then we want to see it drop. So we are looking for sales on EN family. Definitely looking for sales on EN. All right. We want to see this bad boy do the drizzy. Okay. We want to see it do the drizzy. Excuse my markups, but we definitely want to see price come down here for sure. It's either going to shoot up and come down or come down, retest this, and then shoot down. But that's what we're looking for, family. Ooh, excuse me. All right, that's EN. This one I would definitely send to the chat. This is a big time frame, dog. This is the monthly. This is a great opportunity to capitalize. All right. All right. Take a picture of this one too. Send it to the chat. Yes, sir. Okay, cool. Let's to the chat as well. Okay. All right, so that was EN. So GA, We definitely want to see sales on GA. It might push up here, but the way this monthly close, we definitely want to see some bearish momentum come through here. We would love to see this just drop. So be on the lookout for that. Definitely want to see that happen. Come down to this area here. That would be nice. Now, the price do get bullish. This is our next sell zone up here. It's a nice zone up here off of the weekly. Nice sell zone off this weekly. All right. And what we see up there is, keep in mind, off this monthly, this is a zone here. Price came and touched that nicely. It may just tank. I want to see price come back down here. So this is the monthly time frame. Price is rejecting off of this order block on this monthly. I would love to see this come up here. As you see, we got it set up right here. This is our first sell zone. This is our next sell zone. So be on the lookout for that. All right. Be on the lookout for that. So we have a monthly and a weekly bearish engulfing zone, which is good. All right. So we definitely want to see that sell right here. Let me see now. That looks a little better. All right. Cool. Okay, so GCAD. GCAD so beautifully. We called all those sales, smacked all these TPs. Now we are looking at a break and retest. So we would love for price to come back up here and retest off of this trend. So maybe it'll come, it did right here actually. Boom, break on this weekly. I would love to see price come up here a little bit, and then we can get a continuation to the sell. See what this monthly look like. Oh yeah, that's the zone we're looking at. Nice monthly engulfing. We want to see price shoot up here. We got an alert already here, and we want that thing to do the drizzy. We definitely want to swing that big swing, big swing, big swing, big swing opportunity there. All right. And I might need to clean my charts up because we've been eating off of this. We've been eating off this bad boy right now. So be on the lookout for GCAD, definitely like that. GJ, we not messing with GJ. We waiting on this zone up top, just like EJ. It's the same thing. We want price to come up here before we catch our sell down, or we can catch a buy here. But that's what we're looking at on GJ. So on GN, we waiting on this sell. Our alert didn't hit yet. We want to see price come up in here, and then we're gonna take it to the downside. All right. So I do like this play on GN as well. We're just waiting on the retest for the sell. We got the break we want to hear. We're waiting on the retest. Keep in mind, this is the monthly time frame family. Monthly time frame. All right. So those type of trades you want to hold for at least 3-4 weeks, or just get your gains and get out. But that's definitely what we're looking at for GN. The DXY got bearish on us so far on the monthly. I do want to see price make head and shoulders here. So as you see my arrow, so next month maybe we'll get that. But right now, let's see how this monthly close. We definitely got to pull back. We got to push up to start the week and a pull back for the duration of the week. Okay. So we still might get this head and shoulders on the DXY that we're looking at right here. Boom, something like that. So be on the lookout for that. Definitely want to see the dollar to continue to get bearish. And let's look at 30. 30 bounced off our buy zone, right? We didn't buy it, but it did come down here and then shoot up nicely. We didn't trade 30 last week, but it definitely shot up on Friday, something nice. This is a nice zone off to buy off of as well, but I'm actually waiting on this sell here. So once price comes up here, we are looking for this zone for the sale. Right, right about there. That's our sell zone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's our sell zone, family. All right. So this is US 30. Make sure you practice risk to reward for sure. All right. So let's send this to the chat as well. Okay. Shot them out the way you do. The things you do. Okay, bet. All right, so that's 30. Um, let's check out Amazon. We're trading Amazon. BTC, not trading any crypto right now. But tell you the truth, this would be a nice sell zone right here. Ain't even gonna lie. Ain't even gonna lie. Right about your price come there. We can definitely catch that sell down on BTC. Loving that. Loving that. Maybe come back down here finally. Boom. That would be nice. That would be nice. That would be nice. So keep an eye on that as well. I haven't been trading any crypto. Definitely have some and holding it for the long term. But let's see. Amazon. Amazon is at 127. It's definitely been bouncing off our zone here. I haven't. We have taken profit on Amazon, right? So we're gonna look at some more stocks this week. See if we can get some more options in this week. But definitely like that. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful play. That played out wonderfully. So, what else we got down here? Blah, 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 blah. UJ, UJ did the thing. UJ did the thing off the weekly. It spiked down aggressively. It might still get bullish. Not trading UJ, so let's just keep it pushing. UCAD is something that I'm definitely eyeballing. All right, so this is our daily. Let's go to our weekly. So that was our first sell zone. Price did close above this previous candle here, but it did close below this candle here. That's what we was looking for last week. Now we may come get a double tap somewhere up in here. Maybe we can find an entry for the continuation for the sale. But we definitely want to see price continue to come down here. This is our target right there. That's our target. That's what we want to see right here. This is where the money's at, right? We want to see price come down here off of on UCAD. We want to see price come down here. Maybe we can find an entry off the daily or the 4 hour, but we're looking for price to come back down to this zone right here. That would be extremely nice. So we can catch a play. Oh, that might be it right there. Let's see. Short. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Something like that. Something like that. Wow. So if we can get like a push up right there, catch that play down. I'm putting an alert right here. I think I'm lying there. I think I like that. I think I like that. See if we got any alerts left. I got that other package. Let's see. Hiya. They got me. Okay, bet. I gotta go clean up something and give me an alert set. But look, we are looking for the sell off of here. Definitely want to see price push up. We take that back down to this zone. That would be nice. Real nice. Can't lie. Ain't even gonna lie. Ain't even gonna lie. Copy. Send this to the chat. Yes, sir. And family, this has been another episode of Sunday Morning Markups. It is the 8th of October. Make sure you lock in and join the free profit channel at pimpindandeasy.com. And if you have not yet locked in with the new Trap House, it's a lot of new free things there, man. Everything's free at the new Trap House. So go to thenewtraphouse.com. Make sure you lock in And shout out to Pimpin' Ain't Easy, man. We are the official affiliates of Sway Markets. Make sure you lock in with the best broker in the game and run the play with Sway. Family, catch you next time, next Sunday, Sunday morning markups. If you want to stay updated, make sure you go to the newtraphouse.com YouTube page and be connected with the daily trap checks. It's amazing, family. So without further ado, we appreciate you. We love you. See you next time. Let's get it.